Alright, here we go. Brand new iPhone 17 Pro in the box, just landed, and I've been waiting all week for this moment. You know that fresh Apple box feeling? It never gets old. Let's crack this seal real quick. Oh man, that sound. Okay, sliding the lid up slowly, and there it is. Look at that finish, it's unreal. I'm not even touching it yet because it looks too clean to smudge. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. Let's see what Apple's packed inside and talk about what's new this year. Alright, let's lift this beauty out real careful. Wow, it's lighter than I expected but feels solid, like seriously premium. That new frame finish just hits different in person, way better than any promo photo. Underneath, the usual minimal stuff from Apple. We've got the braided USB-C to USB-C cable, the little paperwork pack, SIM tool, and yeah, no charging brick, of course. Okay, time for the best part, peeling off this front film. That sound, you already know. The display looks insanely bright, even on the setup screen. So I'm just gonna swipe up, tap through the language and region screens real quick. Alright, so now it's on the appearance screen. I'm just gonna stick with the default look for now and hit continue. Right after that, it jumps to the quickly set up iPhone screen, and instead of pulling in another device, I'm choosing set up without another device. Alright, now we're on the choose a Wi-Fi network screen. I'm just tapping on my house Wi-Fi, punching in the password real quick, and we're in. It might take a couple minutes here while it activates the iPhone, so just let it do its thing. Once it's activated, it drops me on the software update screen. Two options, update now or update later. I'm going with update later for now. Next up is the data and privacy screen. I'm tapping continue. Then it asks to confirm if you're the iPhone's owner and your age range. I'm picking adult since I'm over 18. Now it's the Face ID setup page. I'm skipping it by choosing setup later. Then it wants a passcode. You can go with 4 or 6 digits. I'm setting mine quickly and moving on. After that, you land on the transfer your apps and data screen. You've got a few options, from iCloud backup, another iPhone, a Mac or PC, or even from Android. But for now, I'm just choosing don't transfer anything to keep this clean. Now it's asking for my Apple ID. If you've got one, sign in here. If not, you can tap don't have an account and create one. Or skip it for now by choosing set up later in settings, which is what I'm doing. It'll ask you to confirm that you're not using an account at the moment. Just tap don't use. Then you'll see Apple's terms and conditions. Just tap agree. Next up is update your iPhone automatically. I'm hitting continue. Then iMessage and FaceTime setup. I'm choosing not now so we can get to the home screen faster. Location services pops up, going with setup later. Setup eSIM, skipping that with setup later too. Screen time, choosing setup later in settings. iPhone analytics, selecting don't share. Then you can pick light or dark appearance. I'm sticking with light for now. You'll see the new Apple Intelligence setup page, skipping through it for now. Same with camera controls, Siri setup, and emergency SOS, all set up later. And finally, there it is, the welcome to iPhone screen. Tapping gets started, and boom, this is the home screen of the brand new iPhone 17 Pro. That moment never gets old. Fresh, clean, and buttery smooth right out of the box. Alright, let's jump into the all-new camera app on the iPhone 17 Pro. This thing's packed with changes. Swiping left or right across the bottom lets you switch between camera modes instantly. Photo, video, portrait, cinematic, all lined up right there. Once you're in video mode, just tap that big red shutter button in the center to start recording. And check this, on the bottom left corner, you can now adjust your resolution and frame rate on the fly, no more digging through settings. Up in the top right corner, you get quick access to all your camera tools, flash, exposure, action mode, and the brand new dual capture feature, which lets you shoot from 2 lenses at the same time. It's wild. Right above the shutter, you've got the zoom wheel. Slide it smoothly from 0.5x ultra wide all the way to 8x optical zoom, and it can go up to 24x digital zoom for those faraway shots. Or if you want that super wide look, it can pull back to an insane 13mm equivalent on the ultra-wide lens. And yeah, just a quick note, the new action button on the side makes launching the camera crazy fast now. Alright, that's the quick tour. This camera is next level. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed checking out the new iPhone 17 Pro with me, and I'll see you in the next one.